The dreaded boost leak, something slowing every diesel owner down on their diesel truck. It is caused by the intercooler system not being sealed all the way, causing the compressed air to escape, meaning that less air is able to reach the turbocharger and in return provides decreased performance. That is the problem I'm going to be fixing today on my 6.0 Powerstroke, using these new intercooler pipes from SPELAB. We've got the intercooler pipes for this 6.0 Powerstroke behind me, and we're going to be fixing the boost leak on it. If you guys want to pick up this exact kit, it'll be in the description down below. I have more problems now. I am starting to build an oil leak, and I also have a coolant leak from the water pump. So we got two new leaks coming up, pushing it pretty hard on the performance tune. Yeah, it's definitely not looking the greatest. So that being said though, we're gonna go ahead, and it shouldn't take that long to put these in there. I'm gonna show you guys how to install them, and then we're gonna do a little driving test after. Stay tuned. Sorry, we're gonna get this clamp off using the ratchet. I'm just gonna use a flathead screwdriver to get this other one off. Then we should be home free. Probably need to get this downside off. That is a 10. Oh yeah, 3/8 works too. 10 or 3/8 down here. All right, we got a 3/8. It's an 11 for the boot down at the bottom. So remember, we got to pull off both here because we're changing the boots as well. Don't forget about this bolt up here, guys, on the alternator. That's going to be a 13 millimeter. That's out. All right, got the first one out. Gonna get this boot off now down here. Okay. God, look how bad these are, guys. It definitely needs to be changed, that's for sure. What you're gonna do for these guys is you wanna match up the boot that it came off of with the new one. So you can see these metal rings around it. That's exactly what we're gonna be using on that one. We're gonna put the metal rings around it. So the new ones are 10 millimeters. So we're gonna use the new clamps to do that now. I'll slip it all the way on there. Now we throw this guy in. Now we're gonna get into here. Now we're gonna take off the other side here before we put the new one on. Looking for the top here. Got a little extra extender on it. Should be able to get it to reach down now into here. Yes, sir. Okay, pull the intake out so we can get to this second little clamp here. It's never just a 10-minute project with this fucking truck. Get that guy out of there. Okay. All right, guys. Cold side pipe out. So it's gonna go from there like that. Let me get the clamp on there. So these little smaller ones are for actually up top there, but these bigger ones are gonna go down here. All right, this one's sliding in. Okay, now we're gonna put this next side pipe up. So this is the one that connects the hot side pipe. It has a little elbow on it. That's the one we're gonna be using. Come up into here and basically stick it in. All right, there it goes. That is on there freaking solid, guys. Clamp down. It's time for the cold side pipe, which shouldn't be that hard. I'll start with the bottom one first. Big inlet goes towards the front of the truck. Smaller one goes to the outside. All right, and it's gonna go like that. I wanna get the top side on first, guys, just because it's gonna be a little bit easier. At least get the clamp on there to get the bottom side on either way. All right. All right. Oh shit, I forgot to put the fucking clamps on. Guys, tighten this one up. Then we will fire up the rig. That's moment of truth here. We're about to fire it up. See if it even starts, right? Little rev, put it to the performance tune. It sounds a lot better though. There's no boost leak at all anymore. might have blew something up right there. If you want to pick up the intercooler pipes, they'll be in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.